Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Today I am here with the most requested and the awaited video, that is a simple and eggless cake in without oven. So to give it a healthier twist, I am using the whole wheat flour. So without much delay, let's get into the recipe. To begin with, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Use the same cup as a measurement for all other ingredients also. So here I am taking 2 cups of whole wheat flour. To this I will be adding 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda or any soda, any edible soda you can use. Swift it nicely. I prefer to swift it two times as it is a wheat flour, so that the cake will be very nice. So once we have the swifted flour ready, let's get into the other ingredients. In another bowl, I am adding 1 cup of curd, the thick curd. To that 1 cup of sugar. So let's mix well till all the sugar gets nicely dissolved in the curd. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to mix it. See, now all the sugar has got dissolved nicely in the curd. So now let's add the next ingredient, that is a half cup of oil. Okay, just only the half cup of oil, any cooking oil you can use. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can use any essence of your choice. So mix it well. Friends, this is really very easy recipe with the basic simple ingredients. Now let's add the swifted flour and mix it well. To mix the this flour, I prefer to use the big spoon rather than the hand whisk, because the mixing with the spoon really helps it very good. So this is called the cut and fold method. So this method is like, actually it helps to incorporate more air in the mixture, which makes our cakes more fluffy. Friends, this is so simple that anybody can make it easily and at any time of the day. It's even good for evening snack or any time. And as it is wheat flour, it really is a healthy cake. So mix the batter nicely. See, now our flour is got nicely incorporated. Now let's add the milk little by little. Do not add the whole milk at a time. We shall add the milk gradually till we get the nice and smooth consistency. See, now the flour batter has become so smooth and nice. I have used here around 3/4 cup of milk. See, this is the perfect consistency. See, you can also see the bubbles on the batter. That is really a good sign of a perfect batter. Now let us prepare our cake tin. You can use any steel pan or any aluminium or any cake tin you have at your home. So brush some oil in the pan and dust 1 teaspoon of dry flour. So that this dry flour acts as like a baking sheet in our pan. It helps the batter not to stick to the bottom. Now let's add our cake batter. That's it, friends. The batter is so easy to prepare, and you can see it's looking so creamy and so nice. Actually my sister's kids, they like to have the batter itself as it is. They say the batter is so yummy and we would like to have it just the batter itself. So okay, so now tap the pan for just 2 to 3 times. And now let's add any nuts or any dry fruits you want. Here I am adding the chopped almonds. Just tap it 2 times. Now let's get ready with the pressure cooker. See here, friends, I have preheated my pressure cooker for around 7 to 8 minutes. And now let's place any bowl or any stand you can keep in the pan be careful as the cooker will be hot, and place the cake tin into the cooker. So do not use the hand to place the cake tin as the cooker will be very hot. Be very careful. And now let's cover it. Remember not to put any gasket or any whistle on the cooker. Okay, and we have to keep it a low flame. Let's cook it for around 20 to 30 minutes. So here after 30 minutes I am opening my cake, my cooker. You can see, wow, the cake has baked so nice and so perfectly. So now let's check whether it is cooked completely from the inside. For that I am inserting a knife. So you can see the knife has come out very clear. This indicates our cake has cooked nicely. Now let us take out the tin carefully, and let us keep it to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to cool the cake and then take out. Do not rush to take out the cake from the tin. Once it is cooled down, just run a knife around the tin. So now flip the cake tin onto a plate. Now once again flip the cake, and that's it. Our whole wheat, eggless, simple and tasty, delicious cake is all ready to serve. You can see the cake has really turned out very well. The color and the texture really looks awesome, friends. The brown color on the sides and the cream color on the top is really awesome. You can also see the cut portion of the cake. So it has come out so soft and so nice, friends. This is really easy and very delicious, friends. You don't believe, my kitchen was really filled with the super aroma of the cake. This is a whole wheat eggless cake ready. I hope you all like the recipe. Please do try it and let me know how it turned out to you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.